Thank you for the cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you came and gave amazing grace. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the name pierced and washed in your cleansing flow. Oh, all I know, your forgiveness and embrace. For this I love, seated on the throne. Crown you now with many crowns. You reign victorious, high and lifted up. Jesus, Son of God, the darling of heaven, crucified. Worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb. Jesus, I love you, I love you, I love you. Jesus, I love you, I love you, I love you. Jesus, I love